Welcome to the Rise Blueprint. I want you to imagine a company with no HR department, no dedicated customer support team, and no content writers, yet, it's scaling faster and generating higher profit margins than its competitors. The secret? AI systems that replace departments. We're not talking about simple automation. We're talking about sophisticated AI architectures, often built from interconnected SaaS tools, that perform the core, repeatable functions of entire teams. Think of them as hyper-efficient, digital super employees. This is the ultimate blueprint for the lean, scalable business. When you replace entire departments with reliable systems, you eliminate payroll costs, reduce bottlenecks, and achieve near-perfect consistency. This is the new advantage for the self-employed and the savvy entrepreneur. Today, we're dissecting this revolution. I'm giving you the blueprint for the 3 high-leverage departments you can replace with AI right now, and how to build the Chief AI Officer mindset to manage this new era. A few years ago, I consulted for a small but fast-growing fintech startup led by 2 founders, Ben and Chloe. They were brilliant engineers, but they were approaching a dangerous cliff. They needed to hire 4 full-time employees immediately: HR, support, marketing, and accounting, just to handle the growth. They were about to lose their lean advantage. Instead of hiring 4 people, they hired 1 Chief AI Officer, a fractional consultant whose sole job was to install AI architecture. For customer support, they integrated an AI knowledge base that could answer 95% of Tier 1 customer queries instantly. For their content marketing, they connected an AI engine to their data to generate personalized, high-performing email sequences and social posts. The results were astonishing. They maintained a team of 2 founders and 1 consultant, kept their payroll costs low, and achieved faster customer response times and more personalized marketing than companies 10 times their size. They saw their profit margins soar from 15% to 40% in 6 months simply by cutting the dependency on traditional departments. Myth: replacing departments with AI is only feasible for massive, venture-backed companies. Truth: the tools are now inexpensive and accessible enough for solopreneurs and lean startups to build powerful, custom department replacing systems for just a few $100s a month. Here are the 3 high-leverage departments you can systemically replace or shrink dramatically with AI architecture. Step 1. Replace HR/onboarding with the AI knowledge engine. The most time-consuming part of HR is documentation and training. Action: build a centralized, private AI knowledge base, using tools like Notion AI or specialized chatbots. Feed it your entire company SOPs, employee handbooks, and policies. New hires no longer ask you basic questions, they ask the AI system, freeing up your time for strategic management. Step 2. Replace Tier 1 support with the contextual AI bot. Tier 1 support, password resets, shipping updates, basic troubleshooting, is highly repetitive. Action: implement a conversational AI bot, integrated with your CRM and knowledge base, that can handle these routine queries instantly. Motivational fact: 70% to 80% of customer interactions are now handled without a human agent, leading to massive cost savings and faster service. Step 3. Replace content writing with the data-driven content engine. Content marketing requires volume and personalization. Action: link an AI writer, like Claude or GPT-4, to your marketing data, sales metrics, conversion rates, click-through data. The AI's role isn't to be creative, it's to be predictive. It generates content that statistically has the highest probability of converting based on past performance, achieving personalization at scale. Here is your quick mindset hack: the Chief AI Officer mindset. Your job is no longer to do the work or even manage the people doing the work. Your job is to be the Chief AI Officer, CAIO, designing, maintaining, and auditing the systems that do the work. Dedicate time each week to auditing system performance and feeding it better data, not answering emails. The greatest competitive advantage today is speed. An AI-driven system doesn't need to sleep, attend meetings, or wait for approval. It processes data and executes a pre-approved response instantly. This means your lead nurturing, customer service resolutions, and operational troubleshooting run 24/7 at the speed of light. This velocity creates a huge competitive moat that traditional, people-heavy businesses simply cannot cross. These systems eliminate human inconsistency and bias. Every interaction, whether it's an HR policy interpretation or a sales email follow-up, is executed with algorithmic precision and perfect adherence to your SOPs. Unlike human teams that suffer from fatigue, varied training, and emotional bias, your AI departments deliver a consistent, high-quality experience every single time, which is the foundation of a premium brand. Think of your AI architecture as a high-value intangible asset. When you invest $500 per month into a powerful interconnected system of SaaS tools, you are effectively hiring a digital employee with no salary, no benefits, and no sick days. The cumulative investment, the data, the integration, and the proprietary prompt engineering, becomes an unquantifiable asset that is more valuable and less volatile than any human department on your payroll. This is the definition of scaling without overhead friction. Traditional scaling requires a linear increase in employees to match a linear increase in customers. For example, 100 new customers requires 1 new support agent. AI systems scale logarithmically. They can handle 10 times the customer volume with only marginal increases in subscription costs, decoupling your revenue from your operational expenses and leading to those massive profit margin jumps we discussed. The shift from CapEx to OpEx in labor is transformative. Replacing a $60,000 per year salary, capital expense, with a $500 per month SaaS stack, operational expense, dramatically improves your financial ratios. This is a crucial metric for investors. They view low payroll and high automation as a sign of de-risked, efficient growth, leading to a much higher valuation multiple when you seek investment or plan an exit. The Kaio's true power is not management, but system evolution. Your job isn't to fix the AI systems when they break, it's to ask, how can this system handle 10x the volume next year? This mindset allows you to move away from reactive troubleshooting and toward proactive innovation, using the constant stream of performance data to make the AI department smarter and more autonomous over time. The companies that win the next decade won't be the ones with the biggest teams, they'll be the ones with the best systems. To help you start building your own AI architecture, I've created a free resource, the AI Department Kill List, 7 tools to replace your first FTE. It details the specific software combinations you need to eliminate the cost of your first full-time hire. You can download it right now, the link is in the description below. Stop scaling vertically by hiring more people, and start scaling horizontally with smart systems. Now, I want to hear from you. If you could replace one department in your current business with a perfectly functioning AI system, which one would it be and why? Share your thought for the ultimate lean business in the comments. Hit that like and subscribe button to keep building your blueprint for unbreakable success. Stay inspired, stay alive.